If you've got a pond, you've got a pump. This is the PondMaster Magnetic Dry Water Pump. Here it is, all new and shiny. Here's one that's not working. It's pretty dirty.
Yes, been in a pond, got dirt on it.
Okay, Mary.
Yep.
Mary's gonna tell us how to fix it, what to do.
So the first thing you're gonna do is check your electricity, your
Yeah.
GFCI. If you reset it and the pump's still not working, here's what to do next. We're gonna take our pump cover off, which is this piece here. You just have some screws there.
Nice.
Loosen those up. You're gonna pull your impeller out as straight as possible. I'm gonna let you hold that.
Okay, great.
So take a look at that guy and compare it to our brand new impeller here.
Yeah, this one's got, ooh, some really deep grooves actually.
Yes.
It's really
so
scratched a lot.
we've got some scoring on it, and that means that it's not gonna work properly anymore.
Right.
And you're noticing it's moving
Yeah, it's
around.
super loose. Yeah.
Super loose. So this guy moves and it stops like this.
Oh,
That's proper.
that way it'll turn the thingy.
Yes. And the next step that you'll do is you actually take a look at the inside of the pump. If I could have you feel in there.
Whoa, I'm just kidding, I didn't get electrocuted. But it is dirty and grimy and there's more grooves.
More grooves, but it's fairly smooth, which means we can put this new guy in there.
Okay.
So we're gonna place that in there and then take a brand new pump cover and slip that on, and then you just have to put your screws back in, give it a test in the water, and if it's working fine, that's all you've got to do.
Awesome, thanks so much, Mary.
Yes,
I feel empowered to fix my own pump.
wonderful.